it's Fam Life with Tyler. This is Tyler. I'm Fam Life.
Yeah, I'm 100%.
I didn't. Wait, did you say you were my brother?
I'm probably. They wouldn't think that because we look different a lot. Honestly, if I was recording with my friend Hayden, yeah, you guys would probably think we're in the same family.
Does Max want to be let out, Tyler?
I guess so. Run free, Max! Run free!
Running.
100%. I'm playing this new game that I just found. And Charlie,
It's not new at all.
You're huge.
It's Ghost Recon 2.
You're huge. Oh, fudge.
Did you just drop a disc?
Charlie has a whole case full of flipping discs.
For some reason, the graphics right now are much better than they normally are. Like, look at this. This actually looks clear. For the first time ever.
It actually looks clear, guys. Does it look clear on the TV?
Yeah.
Play the campaign mode. You guys are gonna get some new lore about this game.
This game is so stupid.
This isn't Ghost Recon.
No offense, Tom Clancy.
This isn't Ghost Recon.
Wait, what is this?
This is some sort of Lost World or whatever.
Oh, Lost World? Oh, that game.
Is it decent? Or is it like trash?
Trash, kinda. Well, it's actually pretty good.
I love bad games for some reason. I mean,
Yesterday we kept playing Marvel vs. Capcom 3, and you watched us play with that. Era.
Charlie, you need to put a link in the description.
To what?
For our last video.
A link in the description. How? I know how to take a good edit, and then you have to go to description and then put in the link. Right, Tyler?
Yeah. Or it was undropped.
But I want to drop it.
You go blog about something.
I am blogging about something.
When you're in one room and you're just recording my game, that's not blogging about something.
Yes, it is. Do you want me to leave?
No, I don't really care. This is your house.
Whoa, this is backwards. No, wait, is it? No, it's not, actually. I'm kind of stupid.
You gotta hold your phone sideways, because that's how normal people record.
This?
Yeah, that's how normal. Fudge, I don't even care.
What?
Right.
This game is actually pretty fun.
Where are we going, boys? Oh, that's cool.
Oh, do you know what game we should play? I forgot what it's called.
Wait,
It's
wait.
somewhere in my massive pile of the games. Is that it? No, that's a game. That's a movie.
There we go, got in the mess, baby.
It's Waluigi. Does anyone want to see Waluigi? I just find it. I'll go get him over there.
I'm laying down the bullets on these fools.
Waluigi! I got you. I also have
This mission is stupid. I don't
Bowser, and I have some Boo somewhere.
Oh, take that off on you.
Yeah, boy.
They're purple.
And orange.
Oh, sorry, that's great.
Ew, that's disgusting.
What? Okay.
Yeah. I bet you guys couldn't tell what was disgusting about it.
Yeah, this game sucks, right?
I wonder if you guys can tell what we're using.
Yeah, we're using the classic, please.
We're using the classic 360. I have two original Xbox games. Wait. I have the James Bond one, and what was the other one? Oh yeah, let's both play Marvel vs. Capcom 3. I'll use the sucky remote. This game's fun.
Except I have the most OP character.
Ella?
Yeah.
You want to be camera girl? But you'll just be filming us playing a video game. You want to see what's so sucky about this remote? Wait. It's still right there. It's supposed to go back right there, but... How am I supposed to be filming this? I wish I had a
You're holding it the wrong way. You gotta hold it sideways when you're recording.
Why?
Because it gives you the width of the area.
So, how do I... So how do
You
I...
have it paused or are you running?
No, I'm running.
Wow, well that's stupid.
What?
Edit this out.
Okay, we'll be back in a couple minutes. We're just going to play this.
You're classic.
He keeps winning.
Yeah. It's just because of Akuma.
Akuma is so good. Don't you just hate Akuma sometimes?
Akuma.
He has long fingernail, girl.
Can we see the fingernail?
No, but she actually does have a long fingernail. Okay, we'll show you in a second. See her fingernail? Wait. See that fingernail?
Yeah.
Such a long fingernail.
See what? Yeah, he's not from the characters.
With Akuma, he just blocked my special move with a regular move. How does that work? I was Spooderman. He was a random.
Actually, it's a combo move.
Well, he used a combo move. I used my special move. How?
I'm just too good with these people. So blurry. Gosh, the controllers are dying. Don't worry, we still play Xbox One games.
Howdy. I'm gonna show. I know I've already showed you this, but I'm gonna show you my act where I jump through doors. No! Whoa! Did you see me just jump through that door? Wasn't that sick nasty?
Sure.
I'm moving on to a new game. I forgot what it is though. It's a really sucky Mortal Kombat. It's Mortal Kombat vs. DC Universe. I beat the campaign like 40 times. The campaign's fun. Do you want to do 1v1 or campaign?
It doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't? Only hosted in the car.
Lego Lord of the Rings.
I also have Lego The Hobbit.
Lord of the Rings is good to know.
Okay, yeah.
Can you set it in charade?
Yeah. We'll be back. Okay. Hello. Hey. Hey.
You guys probably think I'm transgender because of my sweatshirt.
How would that make you transgender?
It looks like a dress.
No, it really doesn't.
Oh, it does.
You know, because girls wear that.
Yeah, girls wear Adidas and super strong legs.
Hey, Tyler.
World
Hey, Tyler. The floor is lava.
at War is pretty fun, actually.
Tyler, the floor is
My
lava.
feet aren't touching the ground.
So? Doesn't matter if your feet aren't touching the ground. You're touching the ground.
That board is touching the ground.
But this board isn't part of me.
Yes, it is.
Can I just separate myself from my part of me? And I did not make that because of that board. When you try to jump off it, just goes. It messes you up.
We're building something, guys.
We'll be back. Wait, we need to show you this cutscene. Oh, of course. Now the graphics are stupid. Sort of. When we're looking at the screen there. That's me with the red hair.
Ow!
He died because he just walked into that green fire.
It's dog stuff.
I drowned. Did you drown?
No.
Oh. Wait, where am I? Oh.
This is parkour. It's the only thing I like.
Whoops. It's a cutscene.
And the teddy bear.
What's going on? Is Gollum right there? Oh gosh.
This gets
He's a
censored.
bush! That is Piquito, that's him. I'm right there. And Gollum's right there.
I'm ready.
My remote needs to charge for a moment. I'm just standing right there. And that's him, he's a bush. There's the dragon. Oh, I wonder if it will see me. It doesn't see me. Dude!
Where am I trying to go?
Okay, switch back to your character so I can join in again. Dude, switch back to your character so I can join in.
Okay. Jump.
Okay, switch back to your character. Okay, thanks. And we make fire. I'm just gonna end the video here. I'll make another video soon. Bye.